Offering a survey to your users is a good way to gather a lot of interesting data about how people are using your digital collections. You'll probably want to distribute it online, either to known users, if you have a list of email addresses, or to unknown users by putting it on your website. Since your institution most likely offers anonymous access to your digital collections, surveys can be a good way to gather data from users who you don't know anything about. You might ask questions about how they use or reuse your digital objects, what goals they have for those uses, and what impact those objects have on their lives. There are many survey creation tools available, like Google Forms, SurveyMonkey, Alchemer, and Qualtrics. Surveys have a few advantages. You can get feedback from a large number of people quickly, you can learn about anonymous users of your collections, and you can implement surveys fairly easily compared to some other assessment methods. That said, there are some weaknesses to using surveys. Depending on how you recruit people, your results may not be fully representative of your audience. And when the survey is made available on your website, it's hard to know which demographic is more likely to respond. Another disadvantage: unless you gather contact information from people, there isn't a way to ask follow-up questions as you would in a focus group or interview. So you may not know why people respond the way they do. Also, when you ask people to report on their own behavior, sometimes they don't fully remember what they did or why, or they may choose not to tell you at all. Still, surveys are useful, especially if you use them along with other assessment methods. The data you gather will be complementary to the types of data you gather from those other methods. In addition, there is a particular type of survey, known as a point of use survey, that can give you useful data. We'll discuss that in the next video. So, as you analyze your survey data, be sure to follow best practices for ethical assessment found on our website. You can learn more about this topic and about some specific survey tools in our documentation. Good luck with your surveys!